Blake Lively did not even read the book that the movie was based on.
Correct.
And we're not talking War and Peace. And then she wanted to, ixnayed all of the wardrobe choices, because when you're making a movie about a poor woman who's suffering from domestic violence, you want her to look like she has money.
Right.
That Blake said.
That's what she did.
She looks like she has money.
Yep.
And she's dressing in florals. And then she's going on this press tour, pushing her liquor line
It's insane.
and her hair care line, because that's what women who are trying to escape with their lives are worried about.
What could be so explosive that a high-powered attorney would abruptly resign from representing a major Hollywood star like Blake Lively? This isn't just another celebrity scandal. It's a tangled web of leaked emails, alleged manipulation, a charity caught in the crossfire, and questions of ethics. Could it be she broke the law? What about a crime? Get ready, because this story is about to get a lot more complicated.
But I was like just tracking him down, and then I finally got to read the script, and the script was a thriller. So that was a little confusing to me, because he's like such a funny director. Yeah. And so I said, what is this? Because the script is definitely like a twisting, turning, intense thriller. Is it a comedy or a thriller? And he said, yes. So then every day on set, I was like, is today a comedy or is it a thriller?
It's a good mix
and
of
it's
both.
like, it's like really kind of over the top and campy and trashy and fun and like, kind of like my outfit, I guess.
For years, Silver Veil has been a shining example of a nonprofit doing good in the world. Founded by two respected figures in entertainment and social entrepreneurship, the organization has cultivated a reputation for championing local and global initiatives, making real change and garnering praise from all corners. They were on a trajectory for global acclaim, a real force for good, but now all of that might be at risk. When Blake Lively joined forces with Silver Veil, it seemed like a match made in heaven. A beloved actress with a massive platform lending her star power to a worthy cause. Supporters were thrilled, envisioning a future where Blake's influence would take Silver Veil to even greater heights. Red carpets, galas, endorsements, the possibilities seemed endless. But behind the smiles and photo ops, was there another agenda at play? Was all of this planned? However, ominous whispers soon began to emerge from the set of a film directed by Justin Baldoni, a project that Lively was deeply involved in. Initially, these rumors seemed harmless. Occasional creative friction is practically a Hollywood rite of passage. But then, those whispers started to mention Silver Veil itself, a seemingly unrelated but incredibly important factor in a much larger problem. So what exactly happened? Was the nonprofit knowingly involved in a scheme to elevate a celebrity's image? Leaked emails allegedly revealed a disturbing pattern. Blake had supposedly urged Silver Veil representatives to leverage the nonprofit's media connections and influencer network for her own benefit. The aim, it seems, was to procure favorable coverage amid escalating tensions surrounding Baldoni's film project. The theory is that this coverage, in turn, would help her image if there were problems on set, problems with the director, or problems for her down the line. But did things really happen this way? Or are we seeing an incomplete picture? Could these emails have been taken out of context?
It's a bit of a tough adjustment in our house, but it's good. I mean, I have two other daughters, so my oldest is very into the baby, but my middle child, not so much. But we're thinking of keeping her.
Does she play with her? What does she think?
Well, she sort of pretends to play with her. So in the beginning, our oldest is loving on her, and she's very maternal, and then our middle daughter is just keeps away from her.
As these rumors gained traction, the board at Silver Veil began to grow increasingly anxious. Trust, authenticity, and open communication were fundamental to their philosophy. They built the charity's image on transparency. The fear was that if stakeholders got wind of manipulative PR tactics, the fallout could be devastating. Donors might pull their funding, volunteers might walk away, and the organization's reputation, so carefully built, could be irreparably damaged. Were there other signs that the leaders missed? Could they have prevented this? And then came the bombshell. Blake Lively's attorney abruptly resigned. The lawyer's office cited irreconcilable differences tied to the emergence of new information. This is the moment the story truly exploded. It went from whispers to headlines. What could have possibly led to this drastic decision? Was the attorney protecting themselves from potential liability? Did they uncover evidence of unethical behavior that they were unwilling to condone? Did the attorney get wind of a secret that could have serious legal ramifications? This move sent shockwaves through all parties involved, and it made the public question everything. So how is Silverveil handling this crisis? Are they trying to downplay the scandal, hoping it will simply fade away with the next celebrity headline? Or are they launching a full-scale, independent investigation to determine the truth and hold those responsible accountable? Their response could make or break their reputation, so there's no room for error. What will they do next? How far will they go to ensure that the name of the company stays intact? Will the organization ever be the same, or has the damage already been done? Ultimately, this scandal raises some troubling questions about celebrity philanthropy and the relationship between fame and charity. Can Blake Lively's reputation recover from these allegations, or is this a career-defining moment? Can Silverveil maintain its good name in the face of such controversy, or will they forever be associated with this scandal? And more broadly, how can we ensure that celebrity involvement in charitable causes is genuine, ethical, and truly focused on helping others? Many people now want to see ethics and good doing. Is it possible to create a system that protects charities from being exploited for personal gain? What is going to be next for these celebrities, the charity, and the public's faith in them?
I mean, I internalized that as opportunity. We had such a responsibility to this audience to deliver something and to have the opportunity to deliver something for a passionate group of people.
Yes.
As someone who is so deeply passionate myself, I was so excited about that. I would so much rather have that than people who are indifferent.
Blasé. Blake Lively did not even read the book that the movie was based on.
Correct.
And we're not talking War and Peace. And then she wanted to, ixnayed all of the wardrobe choices, because when you're making a movie about a poor woman who's suffering from domestic violence, you want her to look like she has money.
Right.
That Blake said.
That's what she did.
She looks like she has money.
Yep.
And she's dressing in florals, and then she's going on this press tour pushing her liquor line and her hair care line, because that's what women who are trying to escape with their lives are worried about.
The story of Blake Lively and Silverveil is far more than just a juicy Hollywood scandal. It's a cautionary tale about the blurred lines between fame, ambition, and altruism. It's a stark reminder that even the most well-intentioned partnerships can be vulnerable to ego, manipulation, and the relentless pursuit of a positive image. Could greed have been a factor? Has someone done something criminal? The attorney's abrupt resignation may be the first chapter in a much larger, more complex, and potentially devastating narrative. Will the full truth ever come to light? And what will be the ultimate cost for everyone involved? Only time will tell. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.